If you want jaw-dropping landscape photos in 2025, stop everything and watch this video. Let's go. Most landscape photography tips are 10 years out of date. AI tools and planning apps have completely changed the game. Today I'm giving you the only 5 things that actually matter right now, from beginner to pro level. Tips: 1. Gear that actually matters. Forget megapixel wars. Any modern camera from the last 5 years is more than enough. Spend your money on a solid tripod. Carbon, under 1.5 kilograms. One zoom lens that covers 16 to 200 mm equivalent, and a free app called PhotoPills. That's literally it. I still take my best-selling prints with a 6-year-old camera and a $400 lens bought used on MPB. Tips: 2. Planning. Planning is the new skill gap. They use PhotoPills augmented reality to stand in the exact spot where the sun will kiss the mountain at 6:42 a.m. 3 months from now. They check clear outside for zero cloud cover or windy for dramatic storm light. Plan the shot before you leave the house, the rest is easy. Tip: 3. The composition cheat code. Stop using the rule of thirds like it's 2015, use the magnetic subject method instead. Pick one hero element: tree, rock, mountain, get ridiculously close to a strong foreground that points at it. Place the hero dead center or on the edge, leave massive negative space. Minimal beats busy every single time now. Tip: for light settings that actually work today, golden hour is still king, but the real magic is the 15 minutes after sunset or before sunrise when the sky turns magenta. Settings: base ISO 100 or 50, f/8, f/11. Focus 1/3 into the scene, 2-second timer, or remote, shoot raw. If something is moving, grass, water, bump ISO to 400 to 800 and freeze it. Tip: 5. Editing. Watch this video. See this, open Lightroom and just hit select sky, drop the exposure and temperature a touch, then lift the foreground with 1 radial gradient. Instantly the image goes from flat snapshot to dramatic, pro-level landscape, all in under 10 seconds. The real secret of professional photographers: here's what separates the pros: they delete 95% of their photos in camera. Ask yourself, would this stop someone scrolling on their phone? If the answer isn't an immediate yes, recompose or move on. 5 keepers from a morning beats 500 maybes every single time. Smash like if you're done taking average photos and comment your dream location. I'm picking one person for a free portfolio review.